Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cars Period. Today, we have an extraordinary treat for you as we delve into the exhilarating world of Ferrari's latest masterpiece, the 2025 Ferrari SF90 XX Stradale. This limited edition marvel represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with Ferrari's iconic design and performance heritage. A glimpse into the 20 program. To truly appreciate the SF90 XX Stradale, it's essential to understand Ferrari's 20 program. Traditionally, this exclusive initiative offered track-only vehicles to a select group of clients, providing them with the ultimate racing experience. However, with the SF90 XX Stradale, Ferrari has broken new ground by creating the first road-legal car within this program, allowing enthusiasts to enjoy unparalleled performance both on the track and the open road. Performance beyond compare. At the heart of the SF90 XX Stradale lies a reimagined powertrain that pushes the boundaries of performance. The vehicle boasts a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, meticulously refined to deliver an astounding 797 PS, 786 horsepower, and 804 Nm of torque. This enhancement is achieved through precision engineering, including polished inlet and exhaust ducts, new pistons, and a higher compression ratio, complementing the formidable V8 R3 electric motors, collectively contributing an additional 233 PS, 229 horsepower. This hybrid configuration propels the SF90 XX Stradale to a combined output of 1,030 PS, 1,016 horsepower, enabling it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in a breathtaking 2.3 seconds. The integration of advanced electric motor technology ensures instantaneous torque delivery, providing an exhilarating driving experience that is both responsive and efficient. Aerodynamics and design excellence. Ferrari's commitment to aerodynamic excellence is evident in every curve and contour of the SF90 XX Stradale. The vehicle's design has been meticulously crafted to optimize airflow, enhance downforce, and reduce drag. Notable features include a prominent fixed rear wing that works in harmony with an active spoiler system, allowing the car to generate an impressive 530 kilograms of downforce at 250 kilometers per hour. This aerodynamic prowess ensures exceptional stability and cornering capabilities, instilling confidence in the driver at high speeds. The front splitter has been enlarged to channel air more effectively to the redesigned underbody, which features a wider front diffuser and strategically placed vortex generators. These elements work together to manage airflow, enhancing both cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. Additionally, the inclusion of S-ducts on the bonnet and vents on the sides facilitates optimal air extraction and engine cooling, further contributing to the vehicle's performance-oriented design. Interior. A fusion of luxury and functionality. Stepping inside the SF90 XX Stradale reveals a cockpit that seamlessly blends luxury with a focus on performance. The interior showcases a minimalist yet sophisticated design, featuring carbon fiber accents and technical fabrics that emphasize weight reduction without compromising comfort. The upper dashboard is adorned with Alcantara, exuding a sense of racing heritage, while the concave door panels can be customized in contrasting colors to suit individual preferences. The driver-centric layout includes a 16-inch curved HD display, providing intuitive access to essential information. Ferrari's touch-sensitive controls on the steering wheel spokes ensure that the driver can effortlessly manage various functions without distraction. The fixed carbon fiber seats are designed for optimal support during spirited driving, with integrated elastic trim materials allowing for a tailored fit that enhances comfort during extended journeys. Exclusivity and pricing. As a testament to its exclusivity, production of the SF90 XX Stradale is limited to just 799 units worldwide. Each vehicle carries a starting price of a negation $770,000, a pound $664,000. Reflecting its status as a collector's item and a pinnacle of automotive engineering. It's worth noting that all units have been spoken for, with deliveries scheduled to commence in the second quarter of 2024. Driving dynamics and technological innovations. The SF90 Stradale is not only a marvel of power and design but also a showcase of Ferrari's latest technological advancements. The vehicle introduces the Ferrari Dynamic Enhancer 2.0 system, which optimizes handling by adjusting brake pressure at the calipers, ensuring precise control during high-speed maneuvers. Additionally, the integration of the ABS servo controller, equipped with advanced nuance sensors, enhances braking performance and stability, allowing drivers to push the limits with confidence. The suspension system has been meticulously tuned to provide a balance between comfort and performance, featuring a double wishbone setup at the front and a multi-link configuration at the rear. This arrangement ensures exceptional road-holding capabilities, allowing the SF90 Stradale to navigate corners with agility and precision. A symphony of sound. Ferrari enthusiasts will be delighted to know that the SF90 Stradale delivers an auditory experience that matches its visual and performance prowess. The exhaust system has been carefully engineered to produce a captivating soundtrack, with a redesigned tube connecting the intake plenum to the cabin, amplifying the engine's harmonics. This ensures that every acceleration is accompanied by a symphony that resonates with the brand's rich racing heritage. Sustainability meets performance. In an era where environmental considerations are paramount, the SF90 Stradale exemplifies Ferrari's commitment to sustainability without compromising performance. The hybrid powertrain allows for an all-electric range of up to 25 kilometers, making it suitable for urban driving and reducing overall emissions. The vehicle's ability to seamlessly transition between electric and hybrid modes ensures that drivers can enjoy spirited performance while minimizing their environmental footprint. Conclusion. The 2025 Ferrari SF90 Stradale represents a harmonious fusion of innovation, performance, and design. As the first road-legal vehicle in Ferrari's Team 20 program, it offers a unique opportunity for enthusiasts to experience track-inspired performance in everyday driving scenarios. With its limited production run, advanced technological features, and unwavering commitment to excellence, the SF90 Stradale stands as a testament to Ferrari's enduring legacy and its relentless pursuit of automotive perfection. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the 2025 Ferrari SF90 Stradale. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cars for more exclusive content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews and features. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about the world of automobiles.